All right, next trick we're going to teach you is called stop and go. This trick is based off of Brain Twister. It's based off the mount. If you didn't learn the whole Brain Twister trick yet, at least go learn the mount, because you should already know how to do this part. So do a Brain Twister mount. You're going to throw a strong sleeper, get right into it, okay? Brain Twister mount. From there, what you're actually going to do is, this is going to cause the yo-yo to shoot up into your hands, and you're going to catch it. So let me do this from the front. I'm going to show you what it looks like first. See, my yo-yo might take a few times. It's a little bit heavier, but we'll give it a try. So thread it into the gap. You bring your hands across like so. You have to shoot up like that. Yo-yo's going to grab. It's not spinning anymore. It's caught in my hand. And what I do is I pull one hand down, and it makes it spin again. It's a pretty cool looking trick. You can actually stop it while you're in the middle of playing and just pull. What's really cool is if you're doing like a performance, you can take it and then twist it, go the other way, make it spin differently, stop and go. So what you want to do, Brain Twister mount, you take your throw hand, the one with the string attached to it, put it under your left hand, or your non-throw hand, just like that. It kind of makes a cupping motion. Like this, what you want to do, let me point towards you again, cupping motion, and then it's just a little bit of a kind of tug up with both hands at the same time. Make sure you're ready to catch it, because the yo-yo is going to grab that string and shoot up into your hands like so. So I've caught the yo-yo there. Don't move your hands yet, because you want to make sure that the first thing you move is you keep your left hand on top, you take your throw hand and twist it down. Just like that. It's just one big twisting motion. Then you turn it sideways, and you take that throw hand, and you're going to pull straight down. Don't move your left hand. Keep your pointer straight, pull your right hand down, like so. Makes the yo-yo spin again, and you're ready to catch. One more time. Throw, cupping motion. Take your hand, turn it down, pull straight down without moving that hand, and the yo-yo is going to start spinning like that, and catch. That's stop and go.